basic question, what students are looking forward for. What do you think are the most important skills for a student to get into a professional life or during recruitment or kind? What are the basic skills do they look for?
According to what I know, probably I'm still not at the state where I can surely tell these are the 10 things, because I'm also in a learning phase. Probably 5 years down the line, I'll be like very sure this is what a fresher wants it, or we are looking at it. Now I'm still in a learning mode. I count like that any time when I'm still in a learning mode. So what they look at is first analytical solving.
Okay.
Logical reasoning about a problem. They may not ask you just an algorithm directly. Instead of asking, tell me a bubble sort algorithm solution,
Then we have the program.
Write it. They won't tell it is a bubble sort problem. They'll give you a problem for which the answer is a bubble sort and write it. So we shouldn't be bookish or kind of remember that this is this. Why bubble sort? Understand why.
Because it basically like we get a program, we get an answer, we learn it. If we execute it, that's more than enough for us.
So don't understand what is the solution. Why is that this is the only solution?
Okay.
Is there any other solution? We do, I agree, in the college level for us, no, I'm done, I've written the lab, it is executing good. And I don't even say that, no, you have to enjoy your life. It is not that from 24/7 you try to do it. There will be different variations of people also. Yeah, people who are really focused or really passionate.
They study for less time and they get more.
Yeah. But there should be a threshold. If you are lower to that bar, keep up or try to do something to reach that bar. If you are already there, it depends on how passionate you are. And this depends how your acceleration in your career goes. As we in the company or in our career, when we try to solve the task or kind of thing, we may finish it in half an hour because I already know a similar time, or it is very new to me that I am taking 4 hours. So when a problem is given, they have some expectation that fresher will do in so and so time, a 4 years experience will do in so and so time, and 10 years experience will do in so and so time.
So we do not have to panic if someone else is doing it.
There is a pace of learning or pace of adaptability for each level of what you have in the
Yes.
So when you are like good or really above the bar to finish off quickly, don't sit idle.
Okay.
Don't sit idle.
More to learn.
Ask them, tell me, do you have any other problem? Can I help you? Probably that is zero knowledge for you. Probably you learn at least one new concept.
Yes, very true.
And for us in Microsoft, probably a very established company, the process in very good place, that we have various things like trainings, how the teaching should be done, how the learning process should be done, and kinds of stuff. I don't know everybody will have that, or when I went there in 6 months I learned that this is the kind of thing which I can make use of it. And people like us, if we tell you upfront, it will be little added advantage for you to think in that lines. Probably you want to act like that, but never it came to your mind that, oh, this is the probable, I never thought that I could even do like this. Things like that, the lecturers are kind of then as we discuss, as we communicate, there will be some new learning that you will learn, or some idea that is tinkle in your mind, oh, probably have to think in that line, which will help you. So, if not the lecturer, you should open up to some person where you can discuss, not as a problem, just as a discussion.
Okay.
There the thoughts will open up. For us, when as a college fresher, when I went for a first year, for me, what is my achievement? They told me a problem, I finished, I'm done, I'm so happy I've done it.
That's the nature we have.
Yeah, you know, after 6 months I understood, everybody is doing that. All 5 of us or whatever are doing it. What is that? When they consider 5 people, why you? What is that? For them, when they have new,
where do you stand again?
Yeah, where do you stand? They'll think based on how we are solving, who could take up this new problem, though they don't know. Kind of stuff. So when you are doing in a lab or kind of doing it, try to see if there's some other solution for that. If not, you don't get the solution, you will get the approach of finding a solution. What are you have to do? The more concepts or resources or what? That will open up if you don't know the problem also. There's no thought process to open up.
That's a wonderful piece of advice, ma'am. Like, you've taught us saying that the urge to learn is important.
Yeah.
And that urge I could find in you. I mean, you're ready to learn everything day to day life.
Yeah.
That's really wonderful.
Yeah. If you think you have learned, you're gone. There's always a huge
life
learning.
experience, so you have to have that urge to learn something. So ma'am, as we've studied in a women's college and it's the generation women empowerment is coming up. So can we have a take on women and the IT career? What do you say about it? What are the advantages and disadvantages about that?
Okay. when as a woman you land into a career where you have additional responsibility of family,
Yes, ma'am.
children, probably not at this stage, but later as you continue you'll have as the added thing. You'll have your spouse, whatever. But the show running person will be you as a mother, as a wife, as a daughter-in-law, daughter. You can't ignore just because you got into a new set of world kind of stuff. And in IT, at least at Microsoft, they are very supportive for this thing. We have flexi hours, we have work from home options. You have a kid, you have to send them to school or you have to go early. Go back.
Too many jobs to do, basically.
Go back, address them and then log in.
Yes.
Or see how we can choose to switch our career. In our IT thing we have development, we have testing, we have a program management.
Yeah.
According to the role what you are playing, move into something else where you can satisfy. You should have a work-life balance. It is not that you should ignore your family and do this, and it is not that you're not able to succeed at being a failure there.
So women plays a vital role in balancing everything,
Yeah.
maintaining relationships, maintaining your job and everything.
In this due course, probably the pace of career would be little slow.
Yes, ma'am.
But accept it. Because of the changes or circumstances what you have as the additional thing. But don't get disappointed or think as a failure because the acceleration is slow. Probably that you compare with some ex-person. For him probably he doesn't have anything like that. Just because you join together you are comparing, don't think that you are a failure.
Okay.
You as a thing for what you have reached or how you can reach. Don't compare with somebody else. Try to develop yourself or try to see where you are standing in your career. Being slow but you are achieving or being accelerating and being a failure. What is that?
But that itself is also a very big thing, ma'am. You're doing several things at a time. So a woman coming up,
that is what.
She's climbing every step forward. So that is a wonderful thing actually.
Yeah. So choose a project which has little less work, or you have somebody who can back up on immediate emergencies.
Or you can even
talk to your man. It is not wrong talking to your person or a manager that this is the condition and this is how I can work. They'll try to help you out and put in that role. You shouldn't think by telling this I will be in a bad state that I told I have some problem.
Yes.
Discuss. That is what I'm telling. Discuss. They will never think that you have that problem. Why would they not think that calling you at night in the 9 o'clock that you have a problem? Unless you tell them.
Open up.
You should open up. Probably the pace will be different.
Yes.
But accept it. Don't run to par with somebody and be a failure by not achieving that work. Instead, slow down, try to accommodate the immediate changes and then accept.
So ma'am, what is your final piece of advice for the students of JNITS?
As a final package, what I say is, be brave, learn, be practical, try to adapt to the changes, try logical thinking, don't restrict yourself. This is a foundation. Now see how do you want to use it. Get experience, get out to people, get out to work, face it, you can do or not. There will be so many learnings for each one of us that will be helpful throughout our career.
Thank you. I'd like to thank Mrs. Poochita for spending her valuable time to us. She's definitely a feather to the threshold of genius. Her each and every opinion, value and suggestion she's given will definitely help us in every walk of life. So folks, this is Sumedha wishing the bondage of JNITS and Microsoft will always continue further, higher and higher. All the best to each one of you.